Hello friends, welcome to Magic World TV. Let's unbox and review some huge collection of animal toys. We have wild zoo safari animals. We have 3 playsets. So we will be reviewing these playsets. We'll learn the name of some wild animals and some facts about them. So let's start with the first playset. Our first animal is a horse. A horse is a beautiful herbivorous mammal which is found in the wild habitat. A cheetah is a wild cat which have spots on its body. They are one of the most deadliest hunters. Cheetah. An elephant. Elephant is the heaviest mammal on land. Elephant. A beautiful elephant. Next we have a lemur. A lemur is an animal which has 4 legs and a long tail. A hippopotamus. A hippopotamus is the 3rd largest, heaviest mammal on earth. Hippo. A kangaroo. A beautiful kangaroo. Kangaroos have these strong legs and a strong tail which helps them jump. Our next animal is a bobcat. A bobcat is a wild cat which is found in North America. A white tiger. White tigers are rare tigers. A white tiger. A giraffe, one of the tallest and largest land mammal on earth. Giraffes, beautiful animal, giraffe. Gorilla. Gorillas are beastly animals which share some characteristics with humans. Raccoon. Raccoons are smallest mammals on earth. Raccoon. Now let's unbox the other animal playset. Firstly, we have an impala. Impalas are herbivorous animals. They have these strong horns on their head. Our next animal is one of the most strongest and fearless, powerful animal, a lion. Lions are the king of the jungle. Lion. African rhinoceros. Found in Africa, they have these dark skins. They are the beastly animals with some horns on their head. A zebra. A beautiful zebra. Zebras are herbivorous animals which have a unique pattern of stripes. zebra. Our next animal is a brown bear. Bears are omnivorous animals. Omnivorous animals are the animals which feed on plants as well as on meat. Our next animal is one of the most dangerous animals, a hyena. Hyenas are scavenger hunters which have these sharp teeth which helps them in hunting. A beautiful giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest land mammal on earth. Giraffe. Our next animal is a panda. Pandas are the cutest land animal on earth. Pandas can eat all day. They are one of the laziest animals on earth. Our next animal is an anteater. An anteater is an animal-eating animal. Anteater. We have a red deer. A red deer is a herbivorous animal which belongs to the antelope family. A red deer. Now let's unbox the last playset. A lion, a powerful and fearless lion. An alligator. An alligator is a reptile. Alligators are similar to crocodiles, but they have lean mouth. A young zebra. And we have a mommy zebra. A grey wolf. A grey wolf is a carnivorous animal. A wolf howls. Wolves are more active at night time. Our next animal is a tiger. Tigers are carnivorous animals. They are also called silent hunters. A tiger. A kangaroo. A kangaroo. Kangaroo. A deer. A deer is a herbivorous animal. Next up is a rhinoceros. Rhinoceros are herbivorous animals. Rhinoceros. Our next animal is a camel. Camel is a desert animal. Camel Camels are herbivorous animals found in the wild deserts.